Alright guys, in this lesson we'll be painting the Asaro head based on the reference photo. The Asaro head is it's this a statue that simplifies all the planes of the face. Basically I drew it out and then transferred it. I drew it on a separate piece of paper and transferred it over to my painting surface just by tracing over it with some graphite and then going over the lines in order to transfer it from regular copy paper to my painting surface, which is going to be Strathmore Tone Tan mixed media paper. This is 300 GSM, so it's pretty thick and it could stand up to water-based media like gouache. And other than that, I'm going to clamp it down just so that it dries down flatter than it would otherwise. And these are just binder clips. And with that, we can get started. All right, so to get started, just to analyze our reference a little bit, this is the reference photo I'll be working from. I just took a photo of the statue in a certain lighting that I liked. Took a picture of it just to capture that specific lighting scenario. Basically, the light was in this direction and it's shining here and causing shadows on the right side of the planes that are facing away from the light source.